This is where you can view and manage your location so that your attendees are able to choose where they want to attend. You can see the organization name is already in here, so we're going to click this button and edit, and it pulls up more information. This is where we will enter the location specific information. This is the same process as the last screen, but this is for each of your locations. If you only have one location, then after you fill this out, you are done. Always make sure you click save. If you have multiple locations, you'll have to repeat this process. But before you exit out, make sure your time zone is accurate for your campus or church. This is tied to your events. This is very important. And once you press save, you're going to notice the top, your location was saved successfully. Now let's take a look at My Venues.